Hello all guys, today I show you about John the Ripper crack the password. So you need to click on the right mouse and you see open in terminal. So first we need to create zip file. To create zip file with password, use the command. Yes, and this password example and input zip name. Yes, so please you click here. It requests the password and example for when you forget the password and extract, and then it's error incorrect password. Yes. The second, to create password for a zip file, use the following command: zip to John name file, yes, pf.zip and pf.text. And this command converts the zip file to a text format before cracking. Afterward, you will get a text file containing unreadable text. This is the half of the zip file password. Then to display or concatenate file, use catname.filetext. Display the contents before starting to crack the password. Then clear the screen if needed. Next, leave file on the home screen with ls. So finally, to start the cracking process, use John name file.text. Then press enter. Then it will show your correct password. If the password includes special character, the cracking process may take from 3 weeks to 1 year. If the password includes only letters and numbers, it could take from 5 minutes to hours. If the password consists solely of numbers, it's usually the quick key to crack. So, summary cracking time depends on the password complexity. Yes, so now John the Ripper crack the password. That's all. Thank you all guys for your watching.